Ooh, look what came, y'all. It's here finally. Can't wait. Let's do this unboxing here. And we'll get into this. I love the box. As you can see, got a little card here for thanking me for buying it. We got some Parafact Work stickers. Those are cool. Love the alien. And then we got some specifications. Oh, look at that. That's not bad at all. I think this board is going to be pretty good. Let's get to the light. Here we go. Got a hygrometer thermometer. Got some hangers. We got some ratchet straps, it seems. Got the phone cord for daisy chaining. And then we got the light itself. Look at that. It's nice and heavy. The board looks well put together. Okay, so we got it out. Yeah. Let's turn her on and see how bright she is. Holy Jesus. That thing is bright. And it just keeps getting brighter. Holy fuck. Oh God. That is bright. I'm gonna enjoy this.